Yeah, it's Big Kid, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get your MetaMask wallet so we can get these P3D, these proof of weak hands tokens. So let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and go to metamask.io. Go ahead and punch that in. All right, you see that? Wow. MetaMask. They have it for Firefox. That's the one we're adding today. They have it for Brave and Chrome. So whichever you choose. But today we're doing Firefox. Okay. So go ahead and go to MetaMask and add to Firefox. Click that. Let us do its thing. Add that. Okay. Easy. Alright, so now that it's installed, it's going to be in the top right corner. You see that little guy, little face? Go ahead and click on that. Alright, so right here, this is the privacy notice. You know, got to go through all the little things. Go ahead and accept that. Terms of use, scroll down. Okay, nobody reads that. Even though we should. So go ahead and make it a password. And you know how passwords do. Keep it safe and tight, dear. Keep it near. Keep it tucked. Go ahead, create a password. And see, this is right here. This will give you access to your wallet. This is your phrase. So make sure you save this. Write it down. You can even save it as a file. Keep that because you're gonna need that. Alright, so go ahead and click on whichever one you want to do. I'm gonna save mine. So now go ahead and click on the little guy's face. Alright, now your account is created. Easy as pie. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Next video, I'm going to show you how to fund the MetaMask wallet to purchase the proof of weak hands tokens. Oh yeah, one more. You could have also did it with my Ether wallet, but this was just for the MetaMask today. But thank you for watching. Have a good